In this video, you'll learn how to download Kimi AI. This process involves navigating through a web browser, searching for the application, and completing the download on your mobile device. Start by opening your preferred web browser. This could be Google Chrome, Firefox, or any other internet browser you frequently use. Once the browser is open, ensure you have a stable internet connection to facilitate a smooth search and download process. Next, direct your attention to the address bar at the top of the browser. Type in Google and press the Enter key on your keyboard. This action will take you to the Google homepage where you can begin your search for Kimi AI. After the Google homepage loads, locate the search box in the center of the page. Type in Kimi AI and press Enter again. The search results will populate shortly, displaying various links related to Kimi AI. Ensure you can see the results clearly before moving on. Once the search results appear, look for the link that specifically mentions Kimi AI. This may be accompanied by a brief description indicating it is the official site. Click on this link to proceed to the Kimi AI website. After clicking the link, you will be directed to the Kimi AI webpage. From here, locate the section that mentions the mobile application. This is typically highlighted prominently on the homepage. Click on the link that states download the mobile app to continue. Next, you will be presented with a QR code on the screen. This QR code is essential for downloading the app directly to your mobile device. Ensure your mobile device is handy and ready to scan the code. Use your device's camera or a QR code scanner app to capture the code accurately. Once the QR code is scanned, you will receive a prompt on your mobile device to download the Kimi AI application. Depending on your mobile operating system, follow the on-screen instructions to complete the download. Keep in mind that file sizes may vary and larger files could take more time to download based on your internet speed. And that completes the process. Thanks for following along. See you next time.